In primetime news this evening, historic. Government tables $1 trillion budget. Government outlines priorities for 2023-2024 fiscal year. More of the same. Parliamentary opposition reacts to government agenda for new fiscal year.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, discussions surrounding roaming in the region, they're still happening. And of course, we're going to give you some details as to where the discussions are regarding making roaming free later on.
And Spencer is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, the West Indies inflicted a heavy defeat on Zimbabwe in the second and final test. We'll tell you much more about that in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the tabling of the $1 trillion budget?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.